So guys, today I'll be unboxing this ring light that I just shipped it in. I'm going to show each and everything inside the package plus assemble the ring light itself. And these will sure come handy for my video recording setups and making my work look clean. So my people, expect clean videos coming up from our workshop. Yeah, so on the package it is written Sunsky, which is a wholesale and dropshipping company, I think. And also, when you turn it upside down, it has details of the country that this has to go to, and also the broker, and that is the Jumia company, which is located in my country. Yeah, and it also has my name and the place of pickup indicated in it. So that is it when it comes to the details printed on the package. When you open it inside, we find the box wrapped around this paper, which before I cut it, it was airtight for the security of the box. I think to avoid any breakage or damages done to the package. And on the box, there are details of the product, which is 4.7-inch, 12 centimeters adjustable desktop mount video light kit. And the box is quite small, making me to conclude of how small the ring light is. Yeah, so let's now get into the real and fun part. Let's open the box. And whoa, here we go. As you can see, this is how everything is placed. It's quite simple and neatly done. We'll have to get this actual ring light part first out together with the cable, and this is how it is. It's of 4.7 centimeters inch diameter, and it comes together with its cable, which enables you to connect it to power source so as to light it up. On the cable, we have some little button switches which we will need to make proper use of the ring light. And the first button is for changing the light color illuminated into three different lights, and that is white color, red color, and green color. And the second switch is for changing the light illuminated into 7 different colors, which I'll show you later on in the video. Then there are up and down buttons, which are used for increasing and reducing the brightness of the white light produced by the ring light. Then there's the on and off, which is used for powering the ring light on and off. So the next thing I will get it from the box is this. So as you see, there is this tripod-ish piece of the stand, and it comes together with this metal rod, which we will assemble to come up with the whole stand for our ring light. So I'll insert this metal ring or this metal bar or rod through here and tighten the thimble so as not to allow any movements of the ring light up and down. And there's also this piece of thimble or a collection of it, which allows you to connect the ring light to this stand and adjust how you want to use the ring light plus the direction of which you'll be using it. So we will fix it on the stand. And that is it. So the next thing is to connect the actual ring light to its stand so as to complete the whole setup. And this is the whole rig. As you see, this is how it looks like. And if you don't know yet, This is the smallest ring light and the cheapest one in the market, but it works best for lighting. I think each being cheap and small is not a disadvantage. By any chance, it's an advantage for anyone who wants to buy it or purchase it. So it's easy to adjust the light while using it, and it's just easier to use. Yeah, since it's small and because of its size. Also, it doesn't take up most of your workplace. So if you have a small workplace and you want to use this light to illuminate your place, you can use it. It's quite efficient. And for those shooting videos on different sets of scenes, this might come handy since it's easier to move it from one place. Yeah, for anybody who shoots videos and scenes or film scenes, this light comes handy since it's quite easy to move it from one place to another. Just carry it with one hand. Yeah. Um, this is what I'll be currently recording my videos with. So I expect the next art video to be damn perfect. Just because of this perfect lighting, it will be awesome. It will be perfect. If you realize my previous videos, they're not clean as what my next art video will look like. So guys, just keep in there, keep waiting. I have a bunch of some awesome art pieces coming your way, some awesome art videos coming your way. So yeah, just keep locked and looking. That is it. If you had no idea of this product and you just got informed of it, or if you liked the product and the video, please feel free to smash the like button, and it will really help to make others get to know of this amazing product, and also it will improve the performance of the video. Yeah, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you are new here. And that is it. So guys, until next time, be creative and keep creating art. Bye.